Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, safe, and healthy. Students, today we are going to learn new vocabulary words of gardening tools and things in the garden. It helps you in development of new vocabulary with the correct pronunciation. Gardening tools. Lawn mower, lawn mower, lawn mower. A machine used for cutting the grass. Head shears, head shears, head shears. It looked like a giant scissor. It is used for cutting the plants. Watering can, watering can, watering can. It is a container with a handle and a funnel. It is used to water the plants. Gardening hose, gardening hose, gardening hose. A flexible tube, it helps to watering the grass, plants, trees, etc. Shovel, shovel, shovel. It is used for digging the ground for sowing the seeds. Wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow. It is a cart with two handles and large bowl with one wheel. It is used for carrying heavy loads like fertilizer, rocks, sand, etc. Students, let's visit the garden and see what are the things in the garden. There is a fountain playing in front of the main gate, and it represents the beauty of the garden. We see the large trees in the garden. There is apple tree and an orange tree. There is a honeybee and the beehives. Honeybee makes honey from the flower, and beehive is the house of the honeybee. Honeybee stores honey in the beehive. There is a nest of a bird on the tree. There are 3 nestlings. Nestlings are the babies of the bird fed by their mommy bird. Now students, let's see some animal in the garden. Squirrel. Squirrel lives in the tree and it loves to eat insects and hazelnut. Snails and ladybug. Snail and ladybug are the insect. Let's move further. There are sheds and benches. It is used for taking rest and have some meal or snacks. Bridge. It is used for walking from one side to another side. Now we see some children are playing football and throw ball. There are beautiful butterflies are flying in the sky. Some children enjoy